guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are on, I think you guys already know what game I'm playing. We are back on Build a Boat. I know. It's getting laggy. Oh, it's laggy. So this boat that I'm using right now is called the Rock Killer. I'm still working on it. It's not finished. So it's basically this. I have so many chairs that I definitely don't need. And this, I mean, it's cool. This is my house, right here. My house. This is all the stuff. I am lagging. And here is the stairs to the second floor. I mean, on this one, I don't know what I was supposed to do with this one, because so this is the best I could have done. So here's the door. Right here, there we have some chairs. Here, let's go over here. We have some trees and grass. I mean, why go out in real life? I mean, why touch grass in real life when you can touch grass in a game? I mean, that's more sense. It makes more sense, doesn't it? Okay, so let's launch. Yes, let's launch. Hopefully it doesn't break again. Okay, it works. Finally. Took me 10 goddamn tries. Oh my god, what? I just got launched into nowhere. Just got launched forward. Whoa. Whee. Okay, let's sit down. Like somewhere over here for protection. Right here. Let's use this one for protection. Let's go like over here. Yeah. Let's see if we can go to the end. So this is gonna be like a time lapse. So what the hell? The blue team is here. Oh, he dying. She dying. Oh wow, you're really gonna use my goddamn boat. You're really gonna use my goddamn boat. You're really using my goddamn boat. Wow. Oh, we're taking damage, but it don't matter. If you guys think that this is only one layer, you're wrong. Look at how many layers we have. That, I mean, yes, I've gone to the end with this. Hopefully we're going to end again. It's gonna be speed up. I reset it. I just reset. It's gonna take, because I know guys, I know why I reset it. It's going to take forever to go to the end. It's gonna take forever. The last time I used it, it took me goddamn 20 minutes to go to the end. It took me 20 minutes to go to the end. My god, I almost lost my mind. I could have just... So, you know what? Forget it. I'ma end today's video here right now. Nah, just kidding. Oh, there's really nothing to talk about in this video, so I'm probably just gonna build something. I'm just gonna load in something. Just something. I'm probably loading something like this one. What? Let's load in server breaker. No. Ooh, don't talk about that one. I don't wanna talk about it. Let's load in the wheel. I mean this one. The wheel. Probably you guys already know about this. A lot of people uses it already. These kind of boats are probably dead already. These kind of boats are probably dead already. So let's try to go to the end with it. Let's try to go to the end. Okay. Let's go. Let's go to the end. Pick it. Faster. Wee! Look at us right there. Look at us right there. Look at us right there. We flying. We flying. Oh no, this is bad. Wait. No. Oh yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes. Yay! We back. Thought we were gonna fall off the map. Whew, thought we were gonna fall off the map for a second there. Thought we were gonna fall off the map for a second. Whew, thought we were gonna fall off the map for a second there. Okay, lagging. Lag. I am the lag god. I am lagging so bad. Oh my god. Oh, my FPS. My FPS. Oh, here's our boat. Oh. I can't believe we actually got this far. Move. Move, old boat. You useless. Actually, no. Let's stay here. Let's stay here. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Go. Run. Keep rolling. Roll to the end. I'm about to die. No, we fell over. It don't matter. No, let's go backwards then. We're going backwards. I flipped us. We flipped. No, we're going backwards. Now go. Just go. Oh, I'm about to die. We are about to die. Oh, I'm about to die. Oh, we're so close. I can't die right now. We're so close. Oh. Oh, this one. A wave. Don't let the wave hit. I hate this. I hate this one. Whee! I hate and love it at the same time. And the noises. Okay, now the last one. This is the hardest one over here. The hardest. It's not the hardest. I've gone through this like multiple times. So hopefully. No. It's lagging. It's lagging. Not, please. Please don't. Please don't. Please. 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 Don't kick me out. Don't kick me out. Don't kick me out because of the lag. Please. Don't kick me out because of the lag. Yes, yes. It's running smoothly now. Yes. And we are here. We are here. We made it to the end in a video finally. I mean we did make it into the video, into the previous video like multiple times, but it don't matter because we London. Oh, what? Oh, here it is. Yay! Yay! We got to the end. At the cost, we're bald. We have become bald. We are the bald noob. Haha. Yay, got my hair back. We got my hair back. Yay. We got our hair back. And today, we are now ending today's video. See ya. Bye.